Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy you are here today. Learning English is fun and easy with us. I am Anna. Today is a beautiful day. The sun is shining and I feel very happy. How are you today? I hope you are having a wonderful day.
Hello, Anna. Hello, everyone. I am Tom. I am very happy to be here too. The weather is very nice today. It is a warm day. I feel very positive. Today, we have a very special topic. It is a topic about being a good person. It is about being kind to other people.
Yes, Tom. Today we are talking about being kind to others. We will talk about small acts of kindness. These are simple things we do every day. It is perfect for practicing English. We use simple words for these acts. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Your support is very important.
That is right. Please click the subscribe button. And if you like this video, give us a like. It helps our channel grow. We love reading your comments too. Tell us, are you a kind person? Do you like to help people? Write it in the comments. We want to hear from you.
Being kind is very easy. It does not cost money. It only takes a little time. Today, we will give you many examples. Tom, what is the first thing you do to be kind?
Well, Anna, the first thing is very simple. I smile. When I walk on the street, I smile at people. A smile is a universal language. You do not need big words. When you smile, people feel happy. It is a small act of courtesy.
I love that, Tom. A smile is very powerful. I also like to say hello. When I see my neighbors, I say, "Hello, how are you?" It is very simple. These are A1 level words, but they are very important. Saying hello makes the world a better place.
You are right, Anna. Saying hello is very kind. Another important thing is using please. In English, please is a magic word. When you ask for something, always say please. For example, can you help me, please? It sounds very polite and very kind.
Yes, and do not forget the word thank you. Thank you is the best word in English. When someone does something for you, say thank you. When the waiter brings your coffee, say thank you. When someone opens the door, say thank you. It is a very small act, but it is very big for the other person.
I agree. I say thank you many times a day. I say thank you to the bus driver. I say thank you to the person at the supermarket. It makes me feel good, and it makes them feel good too. It's a cycle of kindness.
Let's talk about the bus, Tom. The bus is a great place to be kind. Sometimes the bus is very full. Many people are standing. If I am sitting and I see an elderly person, I stand up. I say, "Please take my seat." This is a very polite act of courtesy.
That is a wonderful example, Anna. Giving your seat to an elderly person or a pregnant woman is very kind. It shows you care about others. Also, when you are on the bus, you can help someone with a heavy bag. You can say, "Can I help you with your bag?" It is a small gesture.
Helping bags is great. I remember one time it was raining. A person did not have an umbrella. I had a big umbrella. I said, "Come here, we can share my umbrella." We walked together to the station. We were dry and happy. Sharing is a form of kindness.
That is so sweet, Anna. The weather can be a good time to be kind. If it is very hot, you can offer water to a friend. If it is very cold, you can offer a warm drink. Small things make a big difference. I feel very empathetic when I help people.
We should talk about our neighbors too. Our neighbors live near us. Sometimes they need help. For example, if my neighbor has many packages, I hold the door open. I say, "After you." Holding the door is a classic act of courtesy.
I always hold the door. It only takes 5 seconds. I wait for the person behind me. I hold the door and I smile. They usually say thank you. Then I say, "You are welcome." You are welcome is the partner of thank you. Always use them together.
You are very polite, Tom. Another thing we can do for neighbors is help with the mail. If my neighbor is on vacation, I can take their mail. I can water their plants. These are small favors. Favors are acts of kindness.
I like to help my neighbors too. Last week, I helped my neighbor carry some boxes. He was very happy. He gave me some cookies. So kindness sometimes brings cookies, but we do it because it's the right thing to do.
Cookies are a nice bonus, but you are right. We do it to be good people. Let's think about the street. When you are walking, maybe you see some trash on the floor. A kind act is to pick it up and put it in the bin. You are being kind to the planet and the city.
That is true. Being kind to nature is important too. Also, if you see someone who looks lost, you can help. You can ask, "Are you okay? Do you need directions?" Sometimes people are shy. They are afraid to ask for help.
Yes, asking, "Are you okay?" is very empathetic. It shows you see the other person. You are not just walking, you are looking at the world. I try to do this every day. I try to find one small thing to do for a stranger.
That is a great goal, Anna. One kind act a day. It could be very small. For example, when you are at work, you can make coffee for your colleagues. You can say, "I'm making coffee. Do you want a cup?" It is a very friendly thing to do.
My colleagues love coffee. I also like to give compliments. A compliment is saying something nice. For example, I can say, "Tom, I like your shirt today." Or, "Tom, you did a great job on that report." Compliments make people smile.
Thank you, Anna. That is very kind of you. I like your hair today too. See, now I am smiling. It is very easy to make someone's day better. Just use your words. Use nice words, not mean words.
Exactly. Words are very important. We should use words that build people up. We should avoid words that hurt people. In our English journey, we can use our new language to be kind. We can learn how to say, "Have a nice day."
Have a nice day is a perfect phrase. I say it to everyone. I say it when I leave a shop. I say it when I hang up the phone. It is a way to wish good things for other people. It is a very warm and friendly phrase.
I also like to say, "Bless you," when someone sneezes. It's a small tradition. It shows you are paying attention. Everyone understands that you are being polite. These are the small steps to being more fluent and more kind.
We are talking about many things today. Let's review some words. We have kindness, courtesy, polite, help, share, and smile. These are all positive words. They are easy to remember.
And we have phrases like please, thank you, you're welcome, after you, and have a nice day. Please practice these phrases today. Use them with your family, use them with your friends, use them with your teacher.
Speaking of friends, being kind to friends is the most important. Sometimes a friend is sad. You can listen to them. You don't have to talk much, just listen. Listening is a very big act of kindness. You are giving your time.
I agree, Tom. Time is very precious. When you give your time to a friend, you are saying, "You are important to me." That is very empathetic. We should always be there for our friends. Maybe we can send a text message. "I am thinking of you. I hope you are well."
That is a very nice message to receive. It makes me feel special. I think we are learning a lot today. Being kind is not just about big things. It is about the tiny things we do every hour. It is about the way we talk and the way we act.
I feel very good talking about this. It makes me want to go outside and help someone. How do you feel, Tom? Do you feel inspired?
I do. I feel very inspired. I feel happy. I think our listeners feel happy too. Kindness is contagious. When you are kind to someone, they want to be kind to another person. It's like a big chain of happiness.
That is a beautiful image, Tom. A chain of happiness. Our channel is part of that chain. We want to help you learn English in a kind and friendly way. We don't want you to feel stressed. We want you to feel relaxed and happy.
Yes, we are here for you. We take small steps together. English is not a race, it is a journey, and we are your friends on this journey. We are very grateful that you chose to spend your time with us today.
We are reaching the end of our conversation, but the kindness does not end here. Today, try to do one small act of courtesy. Smile at a stranger, say thank you to a worker, help a friend, and then come back here and tell us.
Yes, tell us in the comments. What did you do? How did you feel? We read all your comments. We love to see your progress, not just in English, but as kind people in the world.
Thank you so much for listening. Remember to subscribe if you haven't yet. Give us a like to show your support. We love our community very much. You are the reason we make these videos.
Thank you, everyone. Have a wonderful, kind, and beautiful day. Be good to yourselves and be good to others. We will see you in the next video.
Goodbye, everyone. See you soon. Bye-bye.